Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you how to get a bank statement using the Capitec app on your mobile device. The process is quick and allows you to view, share or email your statement directly from the app. First, open the Capitec app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your accounts displayed at the top of the home screen. Tap the account you want to download a statement for. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. From the available options, select Statement. You'll now be able to choose the statement period. Select a date range from 1 month up to 2 years depending on the statement you need. After selecting the date range, you can preview the statement, share it, or send it by email. If you'd like to receive the statement by email, enter the email address where you want it to be sent. You can send it to your own email address or to someone else if needed. Once you've entered the email address, tap Send Statement. Your statement will be sent to the selected email account. From there, you can download it, save it, or forward it to anyone you need. That's all you need to do. You should now have your Capitec bank statement in your email. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.